Attention electricians! If you want to start handling house electrical installation, including conduit piping for residential and commercial buildings, like a professional and earn more from electrical projects, then listen carefully. We've created a powerful training package that reveals the practical methods used by professionals on real electrical installation projects. Inside this package, you will get 19 practical training videos covering professional electrical floor plan reading, conduit layout drafting, load assessment and planning, material selection and estimation, conduit piping installation, and electrical protection methods. No guesswork, no confusion, just practical skills you can apply immediately on site. And that's not all. You will also receive bonus electrical installation ebooks that simplify complex concepts and serve as valuable reference guides for both beginners and practicing electricians. Many electricians miss out on good paying jobs because they lack these essential skills. Don't let that be your story. To make this opportunity accessible to more electricians, we've reduced the price for a limited time. Plus, you will gain access to our WhatsApp and Telegram support platforms for guidance and support. The current price will not remain the same forever. Click the link below now. Get instant access and start building the skills